Hello, my sweet friends. Welcome or welcome back to Cooking, Clean, and Everything Between, where everything is made with so much love just for you. Today, we will make a simple but yet delicious kale soup. So let's check the ingredient list and get cooking. Start by heating the oil in a Dutch oven or a large pot over medium heat until shimmering. Add the onion, stirring occasionally until softened. Add the garlic, cooking until fragrant. Add the chorizo, browning for about 3 minutes. You can skip this step if you want to keep this soup vegetarian. Now it's time to add the celery and carrots, stirring occasionally until softened. Add the salt, smoked paprika, red pepper flakes, the bay leaf, the sprigs of thyme, and your beans. Stir to combine. Add the cubed potatoes, the chicken broth, give one last mix. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat, then cover, reducing the heat to maintain a simmer and cook for 10 minutes to allow the flavors to melt. After 10 minutes, uncover your pan and add your pasta. Give it a good mix. Add 1 cup of water and start incorporating the kale to the soup little by little. With the kale nice and wilted, go ahead and remove the sprigs of thyme. Stir to combine the kale to the liquid. Cover for one last time and cook for 10 minutes. Now remove the bay leaf. Mix well. Turn off the heat and let the soup rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, I don't know about you, but I absolutely have to have a crunchy element when I eat soup. So let's make tortilla crisps. If you are enjoying the video, please leave your like, subscribe to become a part of the Cooking Clean and Everything Between family, and hit the notification bell so you can be the very first one to know when I post new videos. Now it's time to serve this simple but yet delicious kale soup. Now let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite soup? As always, I'm so grateful to have you in my kitchen. Thank you so very much for watching. And I hope to see you next week. Ciao!